Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of two powerful contenders in the travel finance space, Scapia Federal Bank Credit Card and BookMyForex Forex Card. If you love to travel or spend frequently in foreign countries, you've probably wondered what card gives you the best value. Both come with zero forex markup, but they operate in very different ways. One is reward-loaded credit card, while the other is a feature-rich prepaid forex card. So which is better in 2025? Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. First, the Scapia Federal Bank Credit Card. Scapia Credit Card is a co-branded credit card from Scapia and Federal Bank, and it's primarily focused on travel perks and cashback rewards. It's integrated with the Scapia app, meaning that most of your travel bookings, cashback, and redemptions happen right inside the app. This card is best suited for domestic and international travelers who want to earn while they spend, especially on travel-related purchases. How about the BookMyForex Forex card? On the other hand, the BookMyForex Forex card is a prepaid multi-currency card designed specifically for people who want to travel abroad without worrying about conversion fees or exchange rate fluctuations. It supports over a dozen foreign currencies and lets you lock in exchange rates when you load the card, so your trip is protected against currency swings. It's like having a wallet loaded with foreign cash, but digitally and securely. While Scapia works like a traditional credit card, allowing you to borrow money and pay later, BookMyForex works like a debit or prepaid card. You load money in advance and use it until it runs out. Now let us talk about the main features of each card. We start with the Scapia Federal Bank Credit Card. You get a certain percentage in the form of Scapia coins when you book travel through the Scapia app. You also get a certain percentage value back on all other domestic spends. And Scapia coins can be redeemed in the app. It's instant redemption on flights, hotels, and buses. At 1 reward equals 1 Scapia coin. You also get 10% reward on every eligible online and offline spend. Zero forex markup on international transactions, and this is usually a premium feature offered only on high-end credit cards. Unlimited domestic lounge access every month. You can also unlock unlimited complimentary dining, shopping, or spa by spending 10,000 rupees on Visa or 15,000 rupees on the RuPay card every month. There's a 1% fuel surcharge waiver on transactions that are below 5,000 rupees every month. No cost EMI options that are available when booking travel through the Scapia app, and there's an integrated expense tracker and instant notifications that come through the app. How about the BookMyForex Forex card? It supports up to 14 different currencies on a single card, making it ideal for multi-country trips. Zero forex markup on international transactions. This means that you're spending at actual interbank exchange rates with no hidden charges. You can load, reload, and unload currencies anytime through the BookMyForex app or web platform with zero additional charges. There's enhanced security features on this card, real-time SMS and app notifications, and some cards even offer same-day home delivery in select cities if you order early in the day. But for this card, unlike credit cards, there are no interest charges or late payment risks since it's a prepaid system. So you only spend what you load. Now let us talk about the pricing of both cards. For the Scapia credit card, there's no joining fee as earlier mentioned, there is no annual fee, and there is zero forex markup. How about the BookMyForex card? There is no issuance fee in most cases. As stated here on the website, the issuance fee, the reload fee, and the refund fee is 0 rupees. There's a cross-currency fee, which is 3.5% of the transaction value, no inactivity fee charged, a cash disbursement fee of 2% of the transaction amount. Now, if you want to do a replacement for the card, you pay 250 rupees in India, but out of India it costs 3,000 rupees. What are the pros and cons of using these cards? We start with the Scapia Bank card. First, the pros. Strong rewards on travel and general spends. It's completely free to use, there's no annual fee. And lounge access is a huge bonus for frequent flyers. The zero forex markup is also rare for a free credit card. And the pros of using BookMyForex? It is best for saving money while spending abroad. The real interbank rates are clearly shown, no inflated conversion charges, and you don't have any risk of debt or interest charges. How about the cons? For Scapia, there are no rewards on international transactions, and the rewards are only redeemable within the Scapia ecosystem. Also, you need to be an Indian citizen to be eligible for this card. And the cons of using BookMyForex? There are no reward points or cashback, and you have to preload your money. So which comes out top in 2025? Well, I'd say it really depends on your lifestyle and how you like to manage your money. So, you can pick Scapia if you want travel rewards and perks with the convenience of a credit card, and you can pick BookMyForex if you want clean, no-fuss foreign spending and you don't mind preloading your money. But either way, both cards are excellent in their own categories and both are free to start using. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Make My Trip ICICI Bank Signature Card, One Card Metal Credit Card, and HDFC Multi-Currency Forex Plus Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.